Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to review the first strokes, okay? We've done them in class often. So parents, this is for you. Children, this is a refresh, okay? So the first stroke we talk about is called the tall line down, okay? So we start at the tippity top. Parents, where the green dot is, that's where they should stop, okay? So we do tall line down. Tall line down. So you can have the children trace and then they can draw their own. Okay, for any of these lines, you can paste paper to the refrigerator. Vertical surface is wonderful. You could use soap bubbles in the tub and they could draw it through the soap bubbles on the wall of the tub, or shaving cream in the tub, or the bags I had sent out as an activity earlier in the COVID. They could practice with those, okay? So this is called the tall line down. The next line is called the short line. So it is half the size of the tall line. Start your finger at the green dot, short line down, short line down. Again, parents, you can draw it for them, they can trace, or they can draw it themselves. And it's called a short line down. They can also do it gross motorly. Tall line down, short line down, okay? The next stroke or line is called the sleepy line across. So we start on the side and we go across, across, sleepy line across. Again, we always start at the green dot. That dot, that's our starting point, and we go from there. When the kids do it, they could always go sleepy line across. All right, next one. Leaning line down. I forgot the word line. Start at the top, and it's an angle line, so it goes on a slant. Leaning line down. Leaning line down. Okay? Have them cross their body. Leaning line down. I remember the word line on this one. Leaning line up. Leaning line up. So they start at the bottom and they go up. Bottom, up. Crossing their body. Leaning line up. My favorite. Circle stroke around. Boys and girls, remember you start at the green dot and you always go to the left. Circle stroke around and stop. Circle stroke around and stop. Circle stroke. They can draw it in the air also. Parents, we always want them going to the left. This helps them develop the proper ways of forming letters when they form the strokes and start the right starting points. Next line, up over the hill. Again, we start at the green, up over the hill and down and stop. Up over the hill, down and stop. Up over the hill. The very last one. Down through the valley. So we start at the green dot, down through the valley, up and stop. Down through the valley, up and stop. This would be the midline on writing lines. And that's why it's important that we learn to start at the right point. Okay. Quick review. We call the first strokes. We have the tall line down. We have the short line down. We have the sleepy line across. We have the leaning line down. We have the leaning line up. Circle stroke around. over the hill, and then down through the valley. And that's it. You learn these lines, you can make every letter of the alphabet, boys and girls. Good job, moms and dads. You're doing a great job. Thank you.